guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to our first ever home tour. This is going to be an unfinished or unfurnished home tour of our brand new house. Well, it's not brand new, but it's brand new to us. Yeah, so let's go. So this is our deck. It is a wraparound deck. It has all this area up in the front, and then it goes to our back. I'll show you guys the back later, but this is the front of the deck. Really, really, really large. And we've got nice big window and inside. Let's go. So this is our front room. And we've got a dining room over here. Nana's blessing the house currently. And we've just got a front entry door for coats and all that type of stuff in there. And then a nice dining room table with a two-seater. We can obviously put two other chairs on the other side. And then let's go into the rooms. First we have a closet here. This is just gonna be like extra stuff. Probably like my filming stuff, honestly, because it's right by my filming room. So I'll probably end up putting like a lot of my makeup, extra stuff in here. And then this is my filming room. It's dark in here. It's gonna get completely redone. I'm super excited for what I have in mind for this room. Right now it's dark brown with a tan accent wall. We've gotta patch this beautiful hole up right here. But I've got a closet over here and all that good stuff. Yeah, I don't know what that rod is. And there's no light up there. We've got to get a light up there. There's no switch for the light up there. Didn't think about that. But this is the filming room. It's a lot smaller than what I have now, but hopefully I should not have to do like makeup anymore too much longer. So I won't have to like worry about that and everything. Nice hardwood floors throughout the entire house, so I don't have to worry about spilling makeup and all that stuff. Then we come down, we have our spare bedroom, or like our guest bedroom. And the reason I want this to be the guest bedroom as opposed to it being my filming room is because it's closer to our room. So like when we have a kid, things like that, it'll be closer to us. And we've also got another nice size closet. This closet's actually pretty deep back there. And there's a loft bed in here right now that we need to get rid of. So we'll be getting rid of that soon. Then we have our bathroom. The bathroom has been pretty remodeled. It has some nice like tile and some detailing work and everything like that. So that's that. It's just a standard bathroom, shower and everything. And then we've got some storage back here with a nice light back here. I'm gonna change out all the light bulbs because I like daylight light bulbs in my house. So next we have our bedroom, which our bedroom is the biggest of them all, but it does not have a huge closet, so it has like a lot of space, and it does have room to go that way into the living room. This right here is the closet, and it's not gonna hold anything of ours. I mean, it might hold Jack's clothes and shoes, but not mine. So we have to figure out how we're gonna work all of that, but this is pretty much our bedroom. It has a really nice updated fan, nice windows, all of that. Oh yeah. Then we've got the kitchen. It's a nice size kitchen. It's got some nice cabinets and everything. Everything's pretty updated. I just wish it kind of went all the way around, but in due time, the hardwood did continue all the way in here. That's just your standard kitchen. This fridge is gonna end up going downstairs. Because
that cute little rack thing.
Because he said that he broke it off. What rack? Oh yeah.
Nice little pantry door.
Spices and pantry rack. That's pretty have space above the cabinets for other stuff like whatever else. But yeah, decorations and stuff like that. And then we have shelving over here as
The
well.
back side door.
But we also have a lot of space downstairs in the basement as well. This door leads down to the basement. Then we have the basement. The basement does have really nice recessed lighting all the way throughout, which I really like that. It just gives it like a, I don't know, a better feel, I guess you could say. So a lot of space in here. Like you can like exercise and run and do all that. We also have like a little bar area with nice bar stools. This also right here is space for a refrigerator. So like when we wanna have like our, what do we have? Like our Friendsgivings or just barbecues, things like that, whatever that we would have down here. We have a lot of counter space and cabinet space down here. So like, look at all these drawers. Like, so yeah, come back here. We have so much space for everything, and then we have like all of this under here. So we can put like our air fryer down here, we can put like our griddle down here, our ice cream maker down here, like we can put like a lot of stuff down here. And we can also mount a TV over this wall as well if we wanted to do it like that. Alright, so yeah, this is the kitchenette area down in the basement where we can have like bars and drink and watch the imaginary TV that we'll have on there. And then we're gonna have probably like a little faux fireplace down here. Probably on this wall, we're gonna put our TVs down here where we play our little Xboxes. This is just needs to be gone. Eventually I wanna get new carpet because I don't like this carpet. This is like that indoor-outdoor carpet. I don't like that carpet. Then we have this space that they use as like a closet area. But eventually Jack and I want to like drywall it and like make it its own little room because it's a nice bit of space that we can eventually get another room down here into. Then we go around here. And this is another little door that comes from the stairs. And we have, oh, this is another. There we go. We have our laundry room. So we do have like a little space down here for like clothes and stuff that the previous owners left that they like made, I guess. We have another countertop that they just left down here. Then our washer and dryer will go down here, and eventually we want to make this area like an extra bathroom. Like we want to add on to like a bathroom. So like we have a lot of things that we eventually want to do with this house. Keep the laundry room how it is, add on a bathroom, a shower, a toilet, like make this just another bathroom down here. However we can, we'll eventually get that going, but yeah, so that's pretty much the house. And then they made these little lights that go over. It's pretty cool. It's got a remote and everything. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much our basement in our house. Thank you guys so much for watching our home tour. That is it. That is all. If you have any questions, leave us down below, and bye.